Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, all of you. Mahini, Nipun, Adash. Good evening, all of you.
Good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Abhyansh. How are you?
Fantastic.
Hmm?
Fantastic.
Fantastic. Okay. What about Nipun and all? What happened, Nipun? How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Okay, good. Mahini, how are you?
Excellent.
Excellent. Wow, very good. Give me a moment. Okay, what did we do in the last class?
Ma'am, shapes.
We did shapes. We did learn about um, the types of lines and all of those, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you remember all of them?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah?
I studied.
Huh?
I studied the lines.
You studied all the lines. So you remember
Yes.
everything?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. So can we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. So today we will start from knowing your lines. We will start from that. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So you remember all the lines?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
You remember, no doubt about it.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Let's see. Let's see.
Ma'am, I am not practice the lines.
What?
I am not practice the lines.
Why haven't you?
Ma'am, school homework.
Hmm?
School homework.
You cannot say this. Equally important, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yeah. Ma'am, I
Let's
don't
see if you
have.
remember.
Ma'am, I don't have school homework because it's holidays home.
And you're just preparing for your exams after your holidays, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, children, I'm sharing my screen. Hope that's visible to all of you. Okay. Okay. What line is this line? What is this line called as? What, Nipun? You're on mute.
Wave line.
Curved line. Very good. This is called as curved line. Okay. What about this line?
Perpendicular.
No, there is only one line. If there is only one line, it can either be horizontal, vertical, or slanting. What line is this?
Slanting.
Slanting line. What about this one?
Horizontal. Vertical line.
What is this line?
Vertical. Vertical.
Vertical line. And what is this line?
Horizontal.
Horizontal. Okay. So this is called as slanting,
Slanting line.
and the middle one is called as
Horizontal line.
horizontal line, and the last one is called as
Vertical.
vertical lines. Okay, understood all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
What about this? When there is more than one line only, you should tell me what line that is. What is this line? These two lines?
Perpendicular line.
No. Perpendicular is they meet at right angles like this.
Intersecting.
This is the first one is intersecting lines.
Ma'am,
And the,
did I say it correct?
yeah, correct. The last two will be
Perpendicular.
perpendicular lines. And what about these two? Equal to sign?
Horizontal.
No, it is not horizontal. I'm asking whether it is perpendicular, parallel, or intersecting. What are these pink lines called as? Parallel lines. Okay, children, any doubts on this?
No, ma'am. No,
All of you?
ma'am.
Okay. So all of you know shapes?
Yes.
Okay. So there are two kinds. One is two-dimensional shapes, another is three-dimensional shapes. Do you know them?
Miss
3D,
3D shape.
3D shapes and 2D shapes. You know them?
Yes. Like cube is 3D shape.
Ah, this is what?
Cube 3D shape.
3D shape.
3D.
Okay. This is what?
Ma'am, 1 minute. 1 minute. Show your cube. Ma'am, this big.
This
This
is
is
a 5 cross 5.
5+. I cannot do even 3+.
It's okay. We will learn. Fine.
I know how to do 2 colors on one time. Yes,
Two
ma'am, I
colors
know
at
to.
one time. Very good. So you know that's nice. Very good.
Easy. That
Okay.
is so easy.
Okay, so this is 2D shape and that is 3D shapes. Okay, so 2D shapes, you have your square, you have your rectangle, you have your circle, and maybe triangle. Yeah. And in your 3D, you have your cube, cuboid. Then, what is the 3D form of circle?
Half
Sphere,
circle.
sphere, and triangle is cone. Then you have cylinder. Then what do you have?
Ma'am, this one they teach in my school.
They taught you in school. Okay. So you know these shapes?
Yes, they taught me on grade 1.
They taught these on grade 1.
Yes.
Okay. So we are going to learn about these 9 shapes today. Ready?
Yes.
So learning about shapes is really fun and interesting, no?
It's so easy too.
It's okay. How many of you know about these?
I know.
All the shapes you know?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the difference between a cube and a cuboid? Okay. Okay, wait. No problem. Wait. Now, all of you at your home, no? Arini is drawing. Okay. But no drawing until I tell you, so don't draw. Okay? Yeah. Now listen, all of you. Okay. So you have a square, you have a rectangle, you have a triangle, and a circle, right? So we will start from 2D shapes. Okay. So starting off from a square, and these two are rectangles. Okay, so how many sides does a square have?
Four.
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 Okay, what makes a square and a rectangle different from each other, children?
It is more long.
Length is
Rectangle.
more longer.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay, what if I draw this one? Don't you call this as a square? The one that I'm drawing now. Isn't it a square?
It is a no. Square. Yes,
Okay, so
ma'am.
what is the
Cube.
difference between a square and a rectangle? Let's see who's telling me that right. This is a
Ma'am,
square and this is
it
a
is,
rectangle.
ma'am, it is more long.
Small, longer.
Oh,
No, children, listen. When all
okay.
sides are equal,
Ma'am, sides. Ma'am, sides.
yeah. See, both the square and the rectangle have four sides. But for a square, all the sides are equal. But if you look at a rectangle, only the opposite side. See, the vertical line will be equal. And the horizontal line and the horizontal line will be equal. Okay. So only the opposite sides are equal in a rectangle. Okay. Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me an example of a square shape?
Yes.
Huh.
Cube.
Cube is no
Cube.
different shape. I want an example of a
Ma'am,
square.
I know.
Huh, what?
Square has four equal sides.
Four equal sides. Yeah, what has four sides equal? Which of these
Two
has four
sides
sides?
equal
Give me
and
an
two
object.
sides.
Give me an object. Maybe a piece of paper. Can we say a piece of paper on your note is a square?
Ma'am, I know. Yes. For the third one. Yes, ma'am.
Ah, okay, children, now listen. For a square, if you take a square, maybe one side of a cube. Okay, this one side of a cube is going to be a square. Okay, on this side, okay, it will have four corners. One corner, two corner, third and the fourth. So it has four corners and four sides, making it a square. Understood? So the corners and sides will be how much on a square and a rectangle? The sides and corners will be how much on a square and a rectangle?
Equal. Equal.
Cool, but what? How many sides and how many corners?
Four.
Four. In a square, all the sides will be
Equal.
equal. But in a rectangle, only which sides are equal?
Papa.
Hmm?
Opposite.
Opposite sides are
Opposite.
equal.
Opposite.
Okay. See, I'll show you an example of a rectangle. Maybe take my phone. Okay. The left side and the right side will be equal. The top and the bottom side will be equal. So the opposite sides are equal on a rectangle, while all the sides are equal on a square. Understood?
Yes.
Yeah. Please copy this down. Let me rewrite it for you. So this is a square. Corners is 4. Sides is 4. All sides are equal. Children, I'll give you only 1 minute. Okay. I want you to write it down very, very quickly. I don't have time. We have to see 9 different shapes. Okay. So I want you to write it very, very quickly. Okay. First copy down the square part. Then we'll do the rectangle part. You can draw on a rough way also. Make it quick, quick, quick. I'm going to give you only 2 minutes time. Fast. Have you all finished writing about square?
No.
Okay, fast. Else I will take your break. No break.
12, 4, rectangle.
Done with square, children, all of you?
No, ma'am.
Fast. Quick, quick, quick.
All sides of it. Ma'am, at the rectangle after A and what is the letter?
Angle. Hmm.
Ma'am, what is full? Ma'am, I'm done.
Done. Okay, Mahini done. What about you? Abhyansh?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, today only 2 children. For
No, he will join.
Oh.
I don't know what happened to Darsh.
Ma'am, Buliti is not joining also.
He's not coming. Yeah, Lady is not coming.
She left. She never will not
Probably, yeah.
come. She won't come forever.
I think so. I don't know. Abhyansh, why is your audio and video off?
Ma'am, done.
Done. Okay. So now we're going to do about the triangle. So all of you know what triangle?
Yes.
What is it?
Triangle has 3 corners.
Very good. So how many corners and how many sides does a triangle have?
3 corners. Ma'am, we should
And lines, how many sides is lines? How many sides?
3.
3.
Okay, so triangle is the easy one, right?
Yes.
Yeah. You know anything else about a triangle? Okay, I will teach you one more thing. Okay, the other name for corners. Okay, other name for corner is also called as vertices. 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 Okay, I will no more be telling it as corners. I will be calling it as vertices. Okay. Okay. The next shape is an interesting shape. What is the shape?
Circle.
Circle. Does it have a corner or a side?
No.
No. Okay.
Even the corner is a circle.
Yeah, even the corner is a circle. And the middle point of the corner is called as what? Center. Okay.
Yes.
Abhyansh, I can't see you. What happened to your video?
Ma'am,
Write down about the triangle and square fast. Sorry, triangle and circle.
And we should write corners.
Yeah. This pink one
Corners
is
is
very important.
also
I want you to write it. Yes.
triangle, corner, curve, side, heel, corner, curve, and vertical. Circle, drawing, easy. How many class can I go to washroom?
Sorry?
Ma'am, can I go to washroom?
Yes, wait a minute. You finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Mahini finished?
no.
Okay, go and come. First.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Done. Okay. Now can we go to 3D shapes?
Yes.
Okay. But what happened to Nippon? I don't know. So we are going to learn cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, and a sphere. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm going to teach you all in a table. I want you all to learn this and come. Okay. We will first draw the table and then I'll teach you. It will be easy. Okay.
Yes. Ma'am, we should draw this.
Yeah. Whatever I have written also, please write it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere.
You won't be able to see this, Nipun, please.
Nipun, what happened? Where were you?
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, some error was showing now. That's why we have to leave the meeting and join again.
Okay, okay, no problem. We just finished circle, triangle, square, and rectangle. You know these four shapes, Nipun? Do you know? Do you
These
know a
shapes.
triangle and a circle, Nipun?
Ma'am is asking you something. Answer.
Yes.
You know?
No.
You don't know. Okay, I will teach you, but before that,
Triangle.
just
You don't
copy down
know.
whatever I have written. We have started the 3D shapes.
Right.
After finishing this, I'll teach you. Okay? Finished, all of you? Finished writing this?
No, ma'am.
Okay, quick.
Ma'am, I'm drawing the line.
Okay.
Done, ma'am. Ma'am, done. Drawing.
Done? Okay. Anybody else still writing?
No, ma'am. Ma'am. Yes.
Quick.
Ma'am, done. And we need to write how many faces, corners.
No, that I will teach you. I need to teach you. No, that I will teach you. But have you finished just copying what is on the board?
Yes, no, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, Nipun, fast. Maheni finished.
No, ma'am.
Fast,
I'm
fast, fast.
drawing the lines.
Okay, just drawing the lines. That's okay. Nipun, you, which one are you writing?
First one.
First one. Why so late? Fast. Okay. Others, take a quick break for 5 minutes and come back at 7:10. We will continue. Okay, no break after that. Finish writing and then go for a break. I will not give more breaks. Okay?
I'm finished writing.
Okay. Take your break and come.
Finished.
Kita olile. Husha shishi. Melo no no. Kuti tashi. Elizama utali sekino. Olati adine amali. Delito. Baby. Hey, he, ho, holita. Utani, tummy, tummy, tum. He's in it, cheap. Yes, I already know this. I go, Cody's game. The sick anymore in the Erijame, Erira, Eririme, Erororo, Erurire, Terito, say, oh, do, so, I see, say, oh, this game. Oh, do that, daddy, da. Jai Shivaji. Jai Bhagan.
Oh, what is Nipun doing? Playing, huh?
Yes.
What are you playing?
Snake and ladder.
Snake and ladder. Okay. In 2 minutes, I will start the class and then you have to listen here, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Are we all back? Are we all back? Nipun didn't even go for the break, no? Hmm.
I am back.
Mahini and Abhyansh, have your videos on? You're not back yet, no? Okay. Okay, children, are you all ready? Look at me now. Back from the break. Are you all back from the break? See, the cube is the 3D, three dimension of a square. Okay, so similarly, a cuboid will be a 3D form of a rectangle. Okay, a cube is a 3D form of a square and cuboid is a 3D form of a rectangle. Okay, this you should be knowing. Yes, listen to me, Mahini, Nipun, listen to me. Okay, now what do you call as a face, children? Do you know what do you call as a face of a cube or something? What do you call as the face of a shape?
And this is cube.
See, in
Ma'am,
a
I know how to draw.
shape, each side is a face. This is a face. This side is a face. The top is a face. The bottom is a face. This side is a face. And the one that's facing me, no, that's also the face. Okay. So, how many faces does a cube have? Can someone tell me that?
4.
Hmm?
4.
4?
Ma'am, 3.
See, this, okay, I'll tell you this. Listen to me, Nipun, listen. Look at me. Look at me. Okay. See, when I say the face, all you should think about is the sides. Okay. When I say the sides, you should count it. Okay. Top side, then you have the bottom side, the left side, the right side, the front side, and the back side. How many sides does a cube have? How many?
5.
No. Count it again properly. The top and the bottom. 6. Good. The top and the bottom, the front and the back, the left and the right. How many sides or how many faces does a cube have now?
6.
6. Okay. Clear? Any doubts on this?
No.
Okay.
Oh,
And
ma'am.
corners are vertices. Okay. You wrote in the triangle, no? Corners are otherwise called as vertices. Now count the number of corners on this cube I have drawn. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7.
7, 8.
how many corners?
8.
8 corners. Okay. And the edges, listen to me, Mahini. First listen. Okay. Edges are the number of lines you have. Now, how many lines you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8.
7,
8.
8.
8.
8, that's all. 9,
11.
10, 11, and
12.
so how many edges will a cube have?
12.
12. How many faces does a cube have? 6. How many corners or vertices?
8.
8.
How many edges?
12.
12.
12. So cube is the 3D form of which shape?
Cube.
Cube is a 3D form of which shape? Which shape's 3D form is cube? I just told you.
Cuboid.
And no, cuboid is also 3D. Cube is the 3D form of
And 4
what is it?
faces.
Square. Okay, cube is a
And
3D
four
form of
faces.
what?
Square.
Square. Similarly, cuboid is a 3D form of what?
Cuboid has 4 faces.
No, wait. Listen to me, listen to me. Children, cube and cuboid are similar to a square and a rectangle. Okay, they have the same number of sides, no? So here also it will be 6, 8, and 12. Understood? Cube and cuboid will be very same as your square and rectangle, having similar features. Okay, so if a cube has 6 faces, cuboid also has 6. Cube and cuboid both have 8 vertices and 12 edges. I left you for a break. No, Abhyansh, what happened?
Calling me to do something. So I did it.
No, please listen to this and then you can go. Okay, so cube and cuboid, you have 6 faces, 8 corners, and 12 vertices. Yes, did you understand this, children, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and cube is the 3D form of which shape? Cube is a 3D form of which shape? I just told you. Square. And cuboid is a 3D form of which shape?
Fire.
Cuboid.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Very good. Copy this down.
Okay. Yes,
Quickly
ma'am.
copy this down.
Yes.
Done.
Done?
Copied.
I'm done.
Done all of you. Easy.
Yes.
No doubts?
No.
Okay. Can we go for a cone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I want all of you to give me an example of a cone object.
Cone faces four.
Huh?
Four faces.
No. Give me an example object. What looks like a cone?
Ice cream, ma'am. Ice cream.
Ice cream cone. Very good. Ice cream cone then.
Ma'am, cupcake.
Cupcake, not exactly a cone, but yeah, maybe. Your birthday cones that you keep on your birthday hat. Then what else?
Ma'am,
Then
at the
what else?
birthday we will keep on cone now.
Yeah, that's what I said, birthday cone. Yeah. See, just like I told you a cube, Rubik's cube as an example of
Ice
a
cream.
cube.
Ice cream cone.
Ice cream cone, yeah, good. Give me some other examples of a cone. What looks like a cone as an object? Who's this, Richa?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, maybe you. Hello.
Diamond.
Hmm?
Diamond.
Diamond, yeah, it looks like a cone, maybe one angle, but diamond is a different
Looks
shape
like a
altogether.
cone. Ma'am, it looks like a little cone.
Okay. Okay. Now a cone, if you take, let me draw it for you. This is a cone. This is how you usually draw a cone. Okay, I don't have an
Ma'am,
object.
cone has zero faces.
Huh?
Cone has zero faces.
No, it has a circular face from where you, if there is no face, how will you dip your ice cream it into? So it will have two faces. Okay, the base and the triangular face. So it has two faces and how many corners?
One.
One corner, the tip of it. Okay, there is only one corner and edges will be, the edges will be what? One.
Three.
No, this is the edge. The edge is this line is the edge. Okay, so cone, it has two faces, one corner and one edge. Hello, what's your name?
Ma'am,
Hey, Anirudh, you look different. I thought you were a new one altogether, Anirudh. How are you doing? What happened, Anirudh? Why didn't you come the last class?
Because I went to India.
You went to India. You're in India now.
Yeah.
Okay. So
So
we've
I couldn't
started
do
our
the.
shapes. Okay. So you can watch the previous class video and this so that it will be easy. Okay. We discussed lines in the last class. Anirudh, you have totally a different face. I'm sorry. Okay, I just got confused.
ma'am,
Okay.
it looks like somebody else.
Yeah.
A new boy.
Okay. So done with cone, all of you. Have you written them?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now can we go for cylinders?
Yes.
Yes.
Cylinder is another easy one. Give me an example of a cylinder shape object.
Don't know cylinder. What is the shape?
Huh?
Ma'am, I don't know what is the shape of cylinder. Ma'am,
Okay.
Yeah.
Any bottle is a cylinder. If you take this is a cylinder. Okay. See, it is.
Ma'am, water can.
Huh?
Water can.
Water can is an example. This roll-on is an
Water bottle.
example.
Water bottle. Water bottle.
Water bottle is an example. And you see a battery that you used to put on your remotes and all, that is also a cylindrical shape.
Go to
Okay.
washroom.
Okay, go. Okay. So on a cylindrical shape, okay, see, you have the top circular face, the middle face, and the bottom. So how many faces?
3.
3. Does it have a corner? It's not actually, because this is circular. No, a circle does not really have a corner. So there is no corners in a cylinder. Okay. And how many edges does a cylinder have?
6.
The top part and the bottom part. So there are 2 edges. Okay.
And 2 edges.
Yeah.
2 edges. Yeah. Write it down.
Ma'am, I write.
You finish writing. Okay. Children, I want you to draw the shapes also. You can draw it after I finish everything.
Ma'am, you draw smiley.
Yeah, smiley is 0 now. That's why I kept. So smiley is an example of what shape?
Ma'am, design. Circle.
Huh?
Circle.
Circle or sphere. Okay, 3D only you should say. See, I don't want you to draw the cube and cuboid, children. Okay, but I want you to draw the cone and the cylinder. Okay, and sphere, you know, it's just a simple circle. That's a sphere.
Ma'am, we should draw cone and cylinder and
Yes,
circle.
wait a minute. See, a circle, a sphere has only one face, no, the center face. So how many faces does a sphere have?
One face.
One?
Face.
Okay. Does it have an edge or a corner?
No.
No.
Does it have? No. So corners
No.
and edges are
Zero.
0 and only it has got one face. Understood this?
Yes.
Give me an example of a sphere. It can be a ball.
Ball.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, what is the shape of a sphere?
Shape is like a circle only. Write it down.
Ball. Ma'am, ball.
Ball is an example of a sphere. Correct. Now write this table down. Children, I want you to memorize, learn this table before the next class. No excuses. You must learn them.
Ma'am, bottle.
Bottle is for cylinder.
Ma'am, this round bottle.
That is the bottom part alone. If you take it as a sphere. But if you take the entire bottle, it will be a cylinder.
Ma'am, I'm
What
done.
is this shape, children? What is this shape?
Ma'am, which shape? Sphere.
Yeah, very good.
Ma'am, this is sphere too.
Yeah. What is this shape?
Ma'am, cylinder.
Cylinder. Very good. What is this shape?
Cylinder.
Cube.
Ah, Nipun has a cube. Okay, what will be this shape?
Rectangle.
Only one side is rectangle, but it has 6 sides.
Cuboid.
Cuboid. Very good. Copy this down, all of you. Quick. Take your time.
Done. What is the shape? Ma'am, what
Draw
is
the
the shape?
shapes. Draw the shapes.
Ma'am, what is the shape?
You tell me, Abhyans, what shape is that glue stick?
Ma'am, circle.
Is it a circle? The full thing I'm asking. What is it?
Ma'am,
Cylinder. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good.
This is
Now,
circle. This is circle. The first part of
no,
it.
that the top part is your sphere. Okay. Children, I want you to write this and also draw this. Then I'll teach you how to draw a cube and a cuboid. Once you finish.
Ma'am, drawn.
Everybody finished. Nipun completed all the 3 shapes. Diagram also. Maheni completed drawing.
Yes.
Abhyans completed drawing also.
Yes.
Anirudh finished.
I don't have a paper.
Okay. Okay, you have this in the document. Maybe you can screenshot this and then learn.
Look at this.
Okay. But where are you? I couldn't see you.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
even this is a cylinder.
Yeah, kind of. Yes. Anirudh, I can't see you.
But my camera's on.
Yeah, I think you're in a different. Okay, maybe it's in a different place. Okay, children, shall we learn to draw a cube now? Ready, all of you?
Yes.
Okay, everybody ready? Now follow my steps. Okay, first draw a square like this.
Ma'am, okay.
Drawn? Nipun,
Yes.
No, ma'am.
drawn? Anirudh, take out a pen and paper from somewhere. I want you to draw this, please.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Done? Okay. 1 minute. Nipun done? Abhyansh done? Anirudh done? Okay. Now, from the middle of it, draw another square like this. See, from the middle of it, from where I have drawn, from the middle of it, you draw another square.
Ma'am, like this.
Show to me, Nipun. I can't see.
Ma'am, okay.
Okay, show it to me, Mahini.
Ma'am, like this.
Correct, correct. Mahini is done. And very good. Nipun had drawn the entire cube. Good. Abhyansh, have you drawn?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, the outer two ends you are connect. Wait. The outer two ends you are connecting like this. And like this. These two outer lines you drawn, the top and the bottom.
After this outer.
And the inner two like this.
Ma'am, after the outer, what should we draw?
See, you have drawn this one, Mahini.
Yes.
Now here.
Ma'am, I know my teacher told.
Wow, great. But give me a minute. Yeah, finish Mahini. Then here, this way.
Mama, ये
And
नहीं तर सगळे वाट लागल.
finally, this two.
Ma'am, I did not got it.
Which one have you finished? These two have you finished?
No.
Take it in.
Can
Abhyansh
you
finished?
tell me from the starting? I don't know. Yes, ma'am.
You've drawn these two squares, Mahini?
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, now listen to me first, Mahini. Listen, look at me. Okay. This line you've drawn, Mahini?
Yes.
Okay. Now, similarly, these two have you drawn? These 2 points you drew?
Ma'am, like this.
Wait. Show. Come closer. Show it closer. Correct. Now, the inner side, like this.
Yes.
And last.
I'm like this.
Very close. You practice it, you will get the neat version of it. Okay. Understood?
Yes.
Have you all drawn a cube, children?
Yes.
Any doubts?
No.
Okay. Children, you must practice the shapes also to draw. Okay, very, very important. Okay, now similarly to draw a cuboid, the same method, but instead of square, you will draw a rectangle, two rectangles like this. Draw it. Two rectangles. Abhyansh, I'll ask you to show your drawing, so draw it now. Have you drawn these two rectangles? Nipun, do you know to draw a cuboid, Nipun?
Ma'am, I'm done.
Ma'am,
Anirudh,
the cube is not looking good.
my cube, huh?
My cube is not looking good.
Show it to me.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Abhyansh, show it to me on the camera.
ma'am, I am trying to share the camera.
Okay, wait. We'll finish the cuboid and then we'll come to that. Okay, now draw the cuboid.
Ma'am, after drawing the rectangle, what should we do?
1 minute. Two rectangles also you drew, Mahini.
Yes.
Please wait. Okay. Nipun, have you drawn?
Like this. Ma'am, look.
No. Have you drawn what I have drawn, Nipun? I can't see yours clearly.
Ma'am, like this.
Okay, Mahini.
Ma'am.
Okay, but your second rectangle should be outer the first rectangle. Is it like that?
Ma'am, like this.
Okay, okay, Nipun. Okay. Abhyansh, take it a little backward. Come closer. Okay. Okay, now listen, Mahini. Everybody listen. Hey, no, you've drawn differently. First draw two rectangles, Abhyansh. I'll teach you. First draw these two rectangles.
Very good, Anita. Shabash, so बढ़िया था class. इसका नाम
Nipun, yes. But you have drawn it quite differently, but it's okay. You can redo it. Abhyansh, show it.
Ma'am, I am trying to draw it.
Okay.
You.
Mahini, finished?
Ma'am, like this.
Very good, very good. Okay, now the two corners you are joining, just like what you did for your cube. See, look at me, the blue color line, look at this, all of you children. These two you are joining. Join it.
Ma'am, after that.
And these two.
Ma'am, I cannot draw both of it.
Okay, Abhyansh, follow me. Okay, see, first you draw a square, Abhyansh, like this.
Ma'am, I'm trying to draw, but
Okay, just look at me, relax. We will get it. Okay, just draw a small square like this now. Very good, Nipun. Now it's right. Good.
Ma'am, I draw with black sketch pen.
Oh, very nice. That's why it's very dark.
Ma'am, like this. Ma'am,
Mahini, you didn't join this line. This line you didn't join. This line. Also you draw. Abhyansh, have you drawn?
Ma'am, I am drawing it bigger.
No, make it small. First, we'll start small.
Ma'am, like
Another square like this. Have you drawn these two squares, Abhyansh?
Ma'am, like this.
The blue color ones. Huh? That's
Like
all,
this.
Marini. Good job. Have you drawn this, Abhyansh?
No, ma'am.
See, look at me and draw. First, you draw two squares like this, one over the other. I mean, a
Yes,
partial.
ma'am. Ma'am, I am trying to draw it.
You drew it or you're still drawing?
Ma'am, done. I have
Done.
done.
Okay, now look at me, Abhyansh. Look at me. Okay, the same thing. You will connect the outer two. This one to this one.
देखेगा भी नहीं उसको.
Then this two. Join.
आपकी शुगर कंट्रोल ही होती है.
This one and this.
क्या क्या हमको कहा कि
Ma'am, I cannot draw the other one.
Show. How have you drawn? Show it to me on the camera.
Ma'am.
Very good. You've drawn the first line correctly. No, listen. You've drawn it very well. Okay. Now, the same manner, these two ends you were joining. Look at me. Which two ends you're joining? Look at the screen. These two you're joining. Okay.
Ma'am, I cannot join the
Because your first square is bigger, it will be slightly difficult, but it's okay. You can put a slightly curved line. That's enough. That's fine. Just know the steps first.
Ma'am, it's mine everything.
Yes. Practice this drawing of cube and cuboid, children. It's very important. Okay, you should know to draw that. Okay.
Ma'am, I cannot make it 3D. I can only draw 2D.
No, you can. You can. Trust me, Abhyansh. You can. You drew this pink line and green line.
Ma'am, I have drawn it.
Okay. Now this and this. The white lines. Done. That's also
Done, ma'am.
to me, Abhyansh. Wow, see, you've got a very great cube. You've drawn it so well, Abhyansh. Good job. Amazing. So, all of you clear how to draw this, children? Any doubts? Anirudh, Nipun, Abhyansh?
No, ma'am.
Marini?
No, ma'am.
Okay, children, I want you to learn whatever you've written on your note today and practice cube and cuboid before the next class. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any children, whatever you're learning today is very, very important. Next class, I'm going to have a test on that in the class. So please ensure that you learn the outcome. Okay? Okay, children. Okay. So that's it from me today. Any doubts, you can ask me. Otherwise, you can leave. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.